Take a deep breath in. Hold the wheel. Hey.
Yeah.
Now this side is a little tense over here. I don't know what's going on with it. Oh,
Alrighty.
all right.
There's all of your back. Good.
Wait, don't hear it.
Oh.
Right. Wait, okay.
I'm so sad.
Take it in. Okay.
All right.
Girl, you don't know your neck can crack all the way over there, George. That's good. Nah.
They're having too much fun over there.
Here comes the boom, the good stuff.
See that is right here.
Well, they preparing that room over there.
Let's have fun in here.
Oh, can't wait to get to that club today. Oh, must be nice. Yeah. Now they finally got it fixed.
Move.
Nice. I can
Move down a little bit.
Yep, Brett's coming over. We're gonna do a little.
Relax.
Oh, big stuff. All that.
I say, yeah.
Sit down, it's not done. We got more. Face that way. Right in here. How you feeling so far?
It's good. It's good.
Nice.
Up there. Look, your eyes rolled. Y'all make me up, boy.
That's what you need. Yeah.
That massage is like a couple of $100, doctor. That massager is a couple of $100.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a nice one. It's the hybrid one.
I see. We,
Hyper is making me hyper.
we need to invest in that, Monique. That's a good investment, friend.
Wait. I got swinging feet.
Right there. She gonna say that's that part. You so silly.
How you feeling?
Good.
I'm done.
Yes.
You can stretch, friend. You couldn't even do that earlier.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Awesome. We're done.
Sir, have a good day.
You too.
She walking, y'all. Look.